Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, students. Welcome back to the next lecture of your favorite subject, that is English. I hope you all are fine. Okay, so in the previous lecture, we have already started with the poem All the World's a Stage, which is written by William Shakespeare. Okay, we had a discussion regarding William Shakespeare and uh, first stanza of the poem. Okay, we will have a quick recap and then I'll continue with the next stanza of the poem. First, let me tell you, this poem is written by William Shakespeare. He was the English poet, playwright, and actor. He was regarded as the greatest writer in the English language and the world's prominent dramatist. He was a very famous personality and very important person in the field of literature. He was not only poet or playwright, but also he used to act in the plays. Fine. The title Bard of Avon was given to him. Okay. Here in this particular poem, he compares the world to a stage where the drama of human life is created. Okay. So let's see. Have a recap. See, according to the Shakespeare, all the world's a stage and all the men and women merely players. According to him, we all are players and this world is like a stage. Okay. Next line, they have their exist and their entrances. See children, as I told you that from one side people enter the stage and from the another side they exit. Okay, so here enter and exit means birth and death. Okay, they have their exist and their entrances. Okay, one man in his time plays many parts. See, one man in his life plays many parts. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stages. Okay, and his act being 7 ages. Okay, here you can see the 7 pictures. And now we will have a deep discussion regarding each stage. At first, the infant. See, the newly born baby called infant. Okay, man first appears on the stage as an infant. हम दुनिया में कैसे आते हैं? Infant. Okay, mewling and pucking in the nurse arm. Mewling and pucking in the nurse arm. You know, the small kids, the born baby keep on vomiting. Okay, they vomit in the nurse arm. Here you can say nurse or the mother's arm also. Okay, then this is the first stage. Fine, we have already done. Second stage, the whining schoolboy with his satchel. The whining schoolboy with his satchel, with a bag, and shining morning face and creeping like snail. See here the child, you know, early morning the parents are sending him to school and he is unwillingly walking. Why and how he is walking? Creeping like a snail. Creeping like a snail, as he doesn't want to go to school. So this is the second stage of human being. Fine. I hope you all are understanding, children. Unwillingly to school. Okay, this is the third stage which we have already done. Sorry, second stage which we have already done. Now see the third stage. And the third, and then the lover, sing like furnace with a woeful ballad. Okay, and then lover. See, you know what? The child, when he enters into in the adolescence period and when they enter in the college life, so this is very common. Okay, so here the third stage is the stage of lover. Who seeing like a furnace means deep hot breath. Furnace is a very hot thing. Garm saanse lena. With a woeful ballad. Woeful ballad, sad songs. Okay, as he is not getting good response from his loved one or his love interest, so he is singing a woeful ballad, matlab dukh bhare geet. Made to his mistress eyebrow. You know what, you may have seen whenever the poet sing for their love interest, they sing in such a way. So here also the young man is singing looking at his mistress eyebrow. Okay, उसकी जो गर्लफ्रेंड है या जो भी उसकी लवर है, उसकी आंखों को देखकर वो गाने गा रहा है. Which kind of a singing? He is praising as well as he is unhappy, and he is singing a woeful ballads as he is not getting red signal from his mistress. I hope you all have understood till here. Okay, as we have already done this much in the previous lecture. Now we will start with the fourth stage. What is the fourth stage? Let's see. Full of strange oaths and bearded like a pard. See children. Next is full of strange. Strange means very बहुत ही अजीब. Okay, strange. Oaths. Oaths, you all know what is oaths? Promises. Okay, everybody take promises. अगर सपोज कोई CM है या PM है, whenever they start working on their post, they have to take the oath ceremony, that is called. And bearded like the pard. Beard सबको पता है, दाढ़ी. Like the pard. Pard means what? Here it's a short form of leopard. It's a comparison, children. Okay, here it's a comparison. Then a soldier full of strange oaths and bearded like the pard. क्या सब लोग soldier बन जाते हैं? No, here just poet is comparing. This is the age where you have seen the third stage, and after third stage ये थोड़ी सी maturity, उतनी भी ज़्यादा नहीं लेकिन थोड़ी सी, after college life कैसे हो जाता है इंसान. Then a soldier full of strange oaths and bearded like the pard. Bearded like the pard means leopard की जैसी उसकी क्या है, दाढ़ी है, और वो सोल्जर की तरह है और उसकी लाइफ में बहुत सारे उसूल बना लेता है वो. ओके, स्ट्रेंज ओथ्स एंड बियर्डेड लाइक दी पार्ड. पार्ड मीन्स योर लेपर्ड. जेलस इन ऑनर. जेलस इन ऑनर मीन्स वॉट, उसको किसी भी हाल में हार पसंद नहीं है. ही वॉन्ट टू विन. ओके, जेलस इन ऑनर. ऑनर मीन्स ही वॉन्ट्स रिस्पेक्ट. वॉट काइंड ऑफ अ रिस्पेक्ट? He doesn't want to lose anything. Everywhere he wants people to encourage him. He wants attraction and he wants, high status somewhere. Jealous in honor. Sudden and quick in quarrel. Sudden and quick in quarrel. Quarrel means fight, arguments, conversations. Okay? कैसा हो गया है ये? चिड़चिड़ा सा, बात बात पर गुस्सा होने वाला, और उसको अपनी इमेज की बहुत ज़्यादा फिक्र हो जाती है. वेरी इमेज कॉन्शियस हियर द पर्सन बिकम्स. आई होप यू ऑल आर गेटिंग माई पॉइंट. फाइन. सीकिंग द बबल रेपुटेशन. रेपुटेशन, what, just as I told you, image conscious, but what kind of a image it is? Just for a sake. Bubble मतलब क्या? Temporary. As you might have seen, the bubbles are for temporary period. Are they for a long period? नो चिल्ड्रन. अगर हम कुछ भी बबल्स, सोडा पीते हैं या फिर फिज, ओके, सो बबल्स आर फॉर टेम्पररी पीरियड ऑन द सर्फेस, देन लेटर ऑन दे डोंट एग्जिस्ट. सो द रेपुटेशन इज ऑल्सो लाइक अ बबल ईयर. सी चिल्ड्रन, यर दिस पोएम इज रिटन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सिमिली. सो ऑलमोस्ट एवरीथिंग इज कंपेयर्ड टू वन अनदर. Each and every line consists of some of the other things which are based on simile. Okay. Even in the cannon's mouth. Even in the cannon's mouth. What do you mean by cannon's mouth? मौत के मुंह में भी. Your meaning is given, facing great danger to life. You know what? He can face great danger, but he will not compromise with his image. So image conscious he is at this particular stage. Okay? Cannon actually वो तोप को भी बोलते हैं जिससे गोलाबारी की जाती है. यू माइट हैव सीन इन द मूवीज़. सो वो उसमें जाने के लिए भी तैयार है, लेकिन अपनी इमेज के साथ वो कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं करना चाहता. ओके, यू कैन सी हियर लाइक अ पार्ट. See the hairstyle, and you know what, he is ready to go into the cannon's mouth also. Fine. Fourth stage, very ambitious soldier ready to fight. वो soldier नहीं बन जाता. You're just a comparison with a soldier. You may have seen what kind of a soldiers are. Military के लोग कैसे होते हैं, very angry. तो here this is also the stage when the young man becomes angry and very image conscious. समझा इतना? Let's see fifth stage. And then the justice. And then the justice, इंसाफ पसंद, अगली stage. In fair round belly with good capon lined. In fair round belly. See, you know what, this is the stage where the person reached maturity. Okay, थोड़ा सा aged है, maturity. You can consider your father or your uncle at this age. When they are married, they have kids. Okay, so they are not conscious about their image here. They are not conscious about their body. So see, the description is given in fair round belly with good capon line. You know what? He is not conscious about his health. So here he has become very fat, shapeless. Okay, with good capon line means what? With excess fat from careless eating habits. Okay, here he is careless about his looks and all. Okay, the changes which comes in the personality according to the age. तो यहाँ पर एक 35 से 40 साल की उम्र का है ये. And then the justice in fair round belly with good capon line, with eyes severe. With eyes severe, here he is a very serious person. He talk about justice and beard of formal cut. Okay, no fashion, nothing. Now it's very common that in the school also we give you so many remarks for haircut and you keep different kinds of haircut, right? Because you have a craze. But this is the stage where you will forget all such things and you will also have a very simple haircut. आपने देखा है कि आपके fathers को आपकी तरह haircut करते हुए? No, they are not keeping hairs like you all. There's difference, no? Because they have reached their maturity. So similarly here also the man, he's having a very formal haircut. He talk about justice. Okay, he doesn't care about his health. He is becoming fat just because of unhealthy diet. Okay, full of wise saws. Full of wise saws, all wise talking advices. You know what, at this stage people love to give advice and they keep on giving. They don't mind that people are listening or not. ये स्टेज ऐसी होती है कि सिर्फ एडवाइस देना उन्हें अच्छा लगता है, जबकि उनको ये पता भी होता है कि सामने वाला सुन नहीं रहा है, बट स्टिल दे वॉन्ट टू गिव. Full of wise saws. Saws means saying, advices, and modern instances. And they always talk about modern. See, this is the technology that is happening. You should do this, you should do that. Okay, this kind of a personality comes in this category. I hope you all are getting my point. Modern instances. Okay, very wise talks. And also he plays his part. And here he has plays his part. Okay, responsible person, पूरी जिम्मेदारी उठाते हैं फैमिली की. And he just talk about justice. Maturity is there in the personality and keep on giving wise advices with modern examples. Okay, let's see how it is. See, here he is a person with, this is the fifth stage. Okay, he becomes very judgmental, talk about justice as I told you. So this is the picture which is suitable for that. Okay, always talk about justice. Let's see the sixth stage. The sixth stage shifts into the lean and slippered pantaloon. See, this is the quite old age you can say. And here the outfit of the person gets changed. यहाँ पे उसके कपड़ों का पहनना बदल जाता है. So here lean and slippered pantaloons, very loose pants they wear, or pajamas they wear. Okay, or track pants you can see, which are quite comfortable for them. They don't wear jeans and all in this age. Fine. Lean means bent. Slippered pantaloon, comfortable and loose pajamas they wear. With spectacles on nose and pouch on side. Spectacles, yes, this is obvious. Most of the people, they wear specs on nose and pouch on side. See, few old people, they carry pouches. Rest of them, instead of pouch, they carry any carry bag or any other bag, but they carry something with them. Why? Because they keep their necessary things into it. Maybe tablets or their specs they keep, hanky, whatever is required for them, they keep into it. So they carry some bag or pouch with them. This is the sixth stage. His youthful hose well saved a world too wide for his shrunk shank and his big manly voice. See, the clothes which he used to wear in the past, in the youth time, they are there, but he cannot fit himself in those clothes. अब वो पहले के कपड़े उसे आ रहे हैं क्या? No. Here he has become little weak, so he cannot wear those clothes here. Shank means what? Knee to ankle, legs, पैरों की बात की जा रही है. Okay. Shrunk होना मतलब क्या? Shrunk, दुबले पतले से, skilled, loose. and his big manly voice. And his big manly voice, you know what, as you all know, your voice gets changed when you cross your adolescence period, okay, and it continues till the fifth stage. But when you will come in the sixth age, so this voice also get converted into some other type of voice. Okay, what kind of a voice, that we will see in the next stage. So here it's this is the sixth stage. देखो ये है sixth stage. There are whistle. Okay, sixth stage. Turning again towards childish treble, pipes and whistle in his sound. See, this is the sixth stage only. क्या क्या changes आते हैं, पहले तो कपड़े नहीं आते, very loose trousers he wears. Okay, turning again towards childish treble. Treble means weak. The manly voice get converted into treble. Treble मतलब एक छोटी सी बारीक सी कमज़ोर सी आवाज़. Okay, weak. Pipes and whistle in his sound, and while talking sometime he whistle. You may observe this in the old people. They are unable to talk very fast like us. रुक रुक के बात करते हैं, थरथरी सी आवाज़ में बात करते हैं, और कभी कभी विसल साउंड भी उनकी आवाज़ में आ जाता है. These are all age effects. Okay, see like this. You may have your grandparents. Okay, so there are whistle in his voice and he became weak. This is the sixth stage. Okay, you can say as an old man. After this, the last scene. अब इसके बाद क्या? The last scene of all, which is very near to death. This is the last only. Last scene of all that ends this strange eventful history. This is the end of all this eventful history. See, the life is like a stage, plays many roles, ups and downs, and this is last scene is the last stage. यहाँ पे तो अब क्या है, सब कुछ खत्म होने वाला है. Is second childishness and mere oblivion. See, this is called second childishness, दूसरा बचपन, and mere oblivion. Oblivion means what, children? The state of being unaware, unconscious. यहाँ पे इंसान क्या हो जाता है, they become unconscious, they doesn't understand what is going around them. Okay, sometimes they lose their vision, sometimes they lose their voice, or they don't recognize the people. So these are all aging effect. They are alive, but still they don't understand the things which is going around them. Okay, I'll give you one of the live example. You may know about Mr. Dilip Kumar. He is the senior citizen of India. You can say he is of 96 or 97 something. He is still alive, but he doesn't understand, he doesn't recognize people. He is one of the finest example for today, I can say. Okay, sans teeth, sans eye, sans taste, sans everything. देखो, sans means what over here? Without. You know, they don't they lose their teeth. दांत पूरे गिर जाते हैं. They sometimes, not always, sometimes they lose their eyesight, vision they lose, and they don't recognize the taste of food. Okay, and they don't understand what is happening around them. Okay, so these are all aging effect. There are many people who go through this stage and they feel all such things, but there are many other people also who are there at that particular stage, but still they are active. I'll give you one more example, that is Lata Mangeshkar. She is also 90 plus in this stage, but she is quite fine, still she can sing. I gave you two examples, children. One, Dilip Kumar, he is now second childhood is started, and he doesn't recognize people, he doesn't understand anything. And second side we have Lata Mangeshkar ji, she understand everything till now. Okay, at the same age. So here we finish with the last stage. See the pictures. This is the condition of the people, those who reach this stage. Loses his teeth, eyesight, taste. Okay, and he doesn't understand what is happening around him. See, you can see here also. This is the seventh and the almost last stage. अगर जीते भी हैं उसके बाद तो यही हालत continue होती है. Okay, it doesn't get changed. Fine. So this we have seen in this particular poem, a very very beautiful poem which was divided into the 7 stages of life. Okay, and all 7 stages are explained in this poem very very beautifully. I hope you all understood and you all liked the poem. I hope so. Okay children, so here we finish with this beautiful poem. Few notes I am giving today and few I have to explain. So I will continue in the next lecture, explanation of the few questions which are very important and different. Okay, so take care of yourself children. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much. Thank you.